My courtesy to our school president, Dr. Arnel S. Infanta, to our vice president for academic affairs, Dr. Clem Ryan Bernabe, all the faculty and staff, guests, students, and my fellow engineers. May buntag sa atong tanan. Sugdan ako na yung testimony by saying the verse that really describes my journey from Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans that I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans that will prosper you and not harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Ang akong civil engineering journey, nagsugod ni siya tanan when I was still senior high. Unlike others, I was not having an engineer dream. Wala din ko nagtahong na someday I will become an engineer. Si Earl Carlo, nangandun siya 5 years ago na mahimo siyang soldier. Pwede ba layo guys na naging civil engineer? So I was dreaming na someday mapadayon na ako ang akong passion to serve the country as a Boy Scout. Kaya dati scout lang to, so gusto na ko na through the men in uniform service, mapadayon na ako ang akong passion, which is service. Pero ang first step to it is to enter the academy. Ready and determined, try ko apply sa mga academies na available to sa ato ang country. But ang academies na akong i-applyan did not accept my application, even only for examination. Wala ko nila ginawa. But to take it back, nagid ay mas gwapo na plano si Lord para sa kuwan. Masyakit. Pero, ano man dyan, sometimes in life, we need to experience rejection in order for us to grow and appreciate the challenges na ginahatag sa tuwa ni Lord. Little did I know that my plans were redirected because na something bigger na plan si Lord para sa kuha and para sa ako to my fellow engineers. After all the rejections, I moved on, and fast forward, I decided to choose Notre Dame of Kinabawan College as my college school. Pero at that time, wala pa ko napili na course, so resetan pa ko kung unsa jud na course na akong gusto. But the day before the enrollment, which is Sunday, nag-serve ko sa church sa cathedral, and my co-altar server encouraged me to try to enroll the civil engineering. Kaya coming 5th year ko siya that time. He was Engineer Harvey Manzana. So I prayed for it, and I said to myself, ready kaya ako? I know my classmates and my batchmates and all of us, even you there, mga students, na try po nato magpaisip na kaya dikhaan ako ang civil engineering. So, even without preparations, I enrolled sa Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering and became one of the class of 2019. Sa akong college journey, I can say na wala din ko yung kamahayan na nung entrust na ko sa NTKC and akong college life and college education. NTKC gave me opportunities na dili na ako maisip na maadto sa kuha if na-enroll ko sa other institutions. Daghan kay kong natunan diri sa NTKC na nagpa-develop, daghan kong natunan sa myself na diri na sa NTKC na develop, and daghan kayo nahatag sa NTKC sa kuha, which I used to continue my journey, and now na nanami diri as standing in front of you guys. So one of the biggest challenge during college days is during pandemic. Even if naapektuhan ang among klase, I mean, most of my juniors here na naapektuhan during COVID times, I would like to commend my instructors because they really made an effort para convenient job on learning para sa students. In behalf of my batchmates and colleagues, words are not enough to express our gratitude to our instructors, especially to Engineer Melcher Famisan, Engineer Gemma Famisan, Engineer Rogelyn Jess, Engineer Milo Tabiki, Engineer Jess Tyson, Engineer Sherwin Lucas, and to all other instructors na naging responsible to pave our way to success. Ma'am, sir, wala kita rin karong buntaga kung dili tungod sa inyo ha. Gikan sa mga kabatchmates, daghan kaayong salamat. After 4 years of challenging road as a college student, we graduated last May 2023. For us, school is over, but our journey is about to start. My batchmates and I decided to transfer in an unknown area for us, which is Cebu, because none of us experienced to go into faraway place just to study. So para sa mo, bago na po ni siya na journey. After schooling, nanapod niya ito kamang another 6 months to prepare ourselves and continue on our license journey. We were really thankful for the faculty and staff na nag-visit sa Samoa during review days, especially to Dr. Glenn Ryan Bernabe, Dr. Daisy Labadia, Dr. Brent Niner, Dr. Stella, and Sir Robert Flores, and to our CACD department head, Ma'am Fatima Zarza. Because for us, kamusta is enough. Pero but to exert that effort, time and effort, just to make sure na okay ni sa Cebu, we're really active then. And isa to sa mga rason kung anong motivated me to proceed to our dreams. And right now, we really earned our goal. So thank you kayo sa inyo. It was a challenging journey also sa Cebu, itong nanami dito during our review days. But I would like to thank the Lord because He blessed me with a group of people na grabe po ng motivation, na grabe po mo strive hard, grabe po exert of effort para po makuha ang among gusto kay kabalumi na isa lang ang among goal, which is to become a civil engineers. Our group would exert 6 to 7 hours of self-study plus 5 hours of sa among review center. Dili siya sa yun, pero kabalumi nga, if it takes na inatong apat ang kailangan agiyon para lang makuha ang among gusto, we are ready. So, kami, kada isa sa mga, we motivate each other. And even katong among mga seniors and among mga colleagues, ginag-chat din naman, nakamusta na mo. So, we were really helping each other. Kay kabalumi na isa lang ang among goal. Fast forward, during the board exam, we were all down. Because none of us expected na inatoday ang board exam, inatoday ang actual board exam. Even if we were told na mas lisod pa ang review kaysa sa actual board exam, but the pressure built during that day, that moment. And ang isa pa din sa pinaka-challenge na niabot sa mga is sa amang group, nagkasakit mitanan during the actual board exam. Pero grabe yun ang blessing ni Lord sa mga because those were only part of our sweet victory. Katong mga challenge yung ipanghatag niya, but blessing in disguise dito, kay bisan pa natag na abot to sa mga challenge, kabalo na si Lord na makuha dyan pa ninyo na. So, after 2 days na board exam, 2 days man ang CE board exam, we pray and thank the Lord na kama na Diyos, nakasurvive kami, and whatever the result is, ihatag na namo kay Lord ang decision. Just like our parents always tell us. Ayaw pag-uol, kaya naningkamot man ka, even our teachers, whatever the result is, si Lord na ang bahala. Now, I want to share to all of you ang akong self-realization sa akong journey. First is, aim high always, and do your best and find your motivation. Daghan mo kayo tag challenges in life, but I can testify na if we always do our best, we can have the sweetest victory if we win, and we can take the best lessons if we lose. And always find your motivation to remind you always na mag-strive hard ka no matter what the result is. Ayaw kahadlok makulbaan, ayaw kahadlok na yung mga challenges na moabot. Just do your best. Especially sa mga students. We've been there, so ang ano lang ako sa inyo is, please, sa karon pala, do your best. Next is, ayaw kahadlok mo fail. So daghan og mga tao na kanidjot ang kadalasan reason nga nung dili sila mo take risk, kay mahadlok mo fail. So, ang lesson nga akong na-realize is, ayaw di kahadlok mo fail. My colleagues and I, we took more than 100 exams during review days. And most of us, naka-experience yun na wala ka pasa or even merely average lang ang score. Pero we were so blessed na pag mag-pray kami, ginapatatak din sa mong isip na bawi lang sa actual board exam. And took every failure as a learning and not a threat na dili ni masucceed. Wala na mag-iisip na, ay, gamay ang score karon, dili na may siguro papasa sa actual board. So, blessed din kayo kay si Lord, ginatagaan dyan yung science always na okay lang na ma-fail, okay lang na sa karon, mapildi ka, kaya maabot ang panahon, nagyapoy madaog na moment para sa imuha. So, to all of you, salig lang and never stop dreaming big. Lastly, always ask the Lord for guidance. For all of us, the Lord is very powerful because His plans for you will always be the best for you. Never forget to pray in times of struggles, and especially never forget to pray when you have achieved what you have been dreaming about. Effective jud kaayo ang prayer sa any aspect sa atong life. Kung nanglinsod ta, try to speak to Him. Kung nakaldistinct ta o kaharuhay, try to speak to Him. Any aspect in life, effective jud ang prayer. Siya lang ang atong maduulan sa bisagon sa pamanang situation nga atong nagian. Before I finish my testimony, I would like to also thank and congratulate my fellow engineers na naging audience and nagmanifest rataan ni dati. And because of God's will, kita na ang reason for this program. So, congratulations my fellow engineers. I really appreciate all the people na nag-believe sa mo and if they trusted us na kuya, maging engineer ka, ate, maging engineer ka, kamusta na mo? Those small gestures really appreciate our journey and nag-uplift dito siya always sa mua. Kung dili tungod po sa inyo, dili po maabot sa diri karon. Wala ka diri karon sa inyo tibahan. I appreciate all of you since day one. And makaingon na dyan ko sa most important people in my life, Mama and Papa. Thank you for all your sacrifices and thank you for loving me unconditionally. I will always be thankful as your son, and you are the reason why I am in front of these wonderful people and proudly can say, Ma, Pa, engineer na ko. Thank you everyone and good morning.
Thank you, Engineer Carla Hiraga City. So like there are three things na I got from his speech, his testimony. First is we need to experience rejection to have something greater. Dito siya bawat sa speech, di ko na po. Testimony gid siya